The University of Virginia is asking for a newly designed space behind Thornton Hall. The space is required to have a 2,000 square foot concrete pad on top of which a temporary tent structure can be placed seasonally. The design also needs to include stormwater management practices that will limit pollutants going from UVA grounds into local water sources. Finally, the design needs to include only ADA compliant paths. The existing site, shown here in plan view and in a satellite plan view image, was surveyed using total stations to create a Civil 3D computer model. The Civil 3D model shows the steepness of the hillside on which the concrete pad will likely be placed. Running from north to south, the area is consistently level, but running from east to west, there is a severe, steep drop-off. This is an example of a temporary tent structure that might be placed on the concrete pad that the university is requesting. In the design, the concrete pad was placed close to the existing paths and as much on level ground as possible. However, shown in this profile image, there would need to be cut and fill processes done in order to have a level pad. In the new design, walking paths, shown here in purple, were moved in order to make room for the new concrete pad. The final piece of the design consists of implementing a stormwater management plan. The stormwater management plan chosen for this design was a rain garden, which will filter pollutants out of storm runoff before it enters main bodies of water. This is an example of a rain garden. This final image shows the stormwater management plan in Civil 3D. The image consists of the locations of the rain gardens, as well as the water drop analysis that led to the decision of where to put the rain gardens.